Apologies to break away from that, but we're going live to that news conference. It's just getting underway in Liverpool.
From West Derby, Liverpool, with offences of dangerous driving, causing grievous bodily harm with intent, wounding with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, and attempting to cause grievous bodily harm with intent. This is following a complex and ongoing investigation into an incident in Water Street, Liverpool, on Monday the 26th of May 2025. The defendant will appear before Liverpool Magistrates Court on Friday the 30th of May 2025. The investigation is at an early stage. Prosecutors and police are continuing to work at pace to review a huge volume of evidence. This includes multiple pieces of video footage and numerous witness statements. It is important to ensure that every victim gets the justice they deserve. The charges will be kept under review as the investigation progresses. We know that Monday's shocking scenes reverberated around the city of Liverpool and the entire country on what should have been a day of celebration for hundreds of thousands of Liverpool FC supporters. Our thoughts remain with all of those affected. Criminal proceedings against the defendant are active, and he has the right to a fair trial. It is extremely important that there should be no reporting, commentary, or sharing of information or media online which could in any way prejudice these proceedings. Please allow the legal process to take its course without undue speculation. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm Assistant Chief Constable Jenny Sims from Merseyside Police. I want to provide an update to you all during what has been a very challenging week. As always, our thoughts remain with all of those injured and affected by this appalling incident, which took place during the Liverpool Football Club parade on Monday. As you have heard from our CPS colleagues, the man arrested by Merseyside Police following the incident on Water Street has now been charged with 7 serious offences. Paul Desmond Sanders Doyle, 53 years, of Burghill Road, West Derby, has this afternoon been charged with 2 counts of unlawful and malicious wounding with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, 2 counts of causing unlawful and malicious grievous bodily harm with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, 2 counts of attempted unlawful and malicious grievous bodily harm with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, all contrary to Section 18 of the Offences Against the Person Act 1861. He has also been charged with 1 count of dangerous driving, contrary to Section 2 of the Road Traffic Act 1988. Doyle has been remanded into custody and he will appear at Liverpool Magistrates Court in the morning. I fully understand how this incident has left us all shocked and saddened, and I know many will continue to have concerns and questions. Our detectives are working tirelessly with diligence and professionalism to seek the answer to all of those questions. When we are able to, we will provide further information. Merseyside Police is determined to gather as much evidence as possible to ensure that every avenue is explored. Now that Paul Doyle has been charged, we ask that the judicial process be allowed to continue without any speculation online or anywhere else that could impede the pursuit of justice for all of those affected. A total of 79 people were injured. We continue to be in contact with our officers and staff, and 7 people remain in hospital, receiving the expert care of our NHS colleagues. I hope that all of those who were injured or witnessed in this terrible incident are able, given time, to heal and recover. This continues to be a large and complex investigation, and detectives are reviewing a huge volume of CCTV and mobile phone footage submitted by the public and businesses, as well as footage from our own body-worn cameras and dash cams. I'm extremely grateful for the ongoing cooperation of the public, who have and continue to share their footage and witness accounts with detectives. Their input is vital to our ongoing inquiries. I would encourage anyone who has not yet contacted the police who may have relevant information to please come forward and contact us. Information, including video footage, can be passed to us via the Major Incident Police portal, details of which are available on our Merseyside Police website. As always, our thoughts remain with victims and everyone impacted.
That was the Assistant Chief Constable of Merseyside Police, Jenny Sims, and the Chief Crown Prosecutor for the Mersey Cheshire region, Sarah Hammond, giving us an update in this case. They said that nearly 72 hours after he was arrested, 53-year-old Paul Doyle from the West Derby area of Liverpool is charged with a series of offences, including dangerous driving causing GBH with intent, wounding and several counts of malicious bodily harm. He will appear before Liverpool Magistrates Court tomorrow morning, Friday the 30th of May. They also said that the investigation is still at an early stage and they are going through a huge amount of evidence. We know they have been trawling through CCTV to understand the route that the car involved in this incident took on Monday night. Just to remind you, this all happened on Monday evening at the end of the Liverpool FC victory parade, when thousands of Liverpool fans were making their way back into the city centre, and a dark Ford Galaxy ploughed into that crowd, causing 79 people to be injured. The youngest of those was a 9-year-old, the oldest was 78. 7 of those people still remain in hospital, are being treated for their injuries. But just to repeat, 53-year-old Paul Doyle from the West Derby area of Liverpool will appear at Liverpool Magistrates Court tomorrow morning for the next stage in the legal process.